Hi, and welcome to ShareInvestor WebPro's newest feature, the C-Square chart. As the name suggests, the C-Square chart stands for comprehensive and customizable. So firstly, let's briefly look at the key features of the C-Square chart. It has over 100 indicators, various drawing tools, events on chart, comparing tool, historical data, and various chart styles. In this video, we will walk you through the features and the things that you need to know to get started. Your first question would be, where do I find the C-Square chart in WebPro? Look for the Chart tab on the green bar and click on C-Square chart. The chart will now come up, and this is how it looks like. Some users are used to having a crosshair on their chart rather than a mouse cursor. To get the crosshair, click onto the third button at the top toolbar, and this will switch your cursor into a crosshair. To search for a specific counter, you may enter the name of the counter you are searching for in the search bar at the top. For this tutorial, we will be using MyEG as an example, and to search for MyEG, all you need to do is type in MYEG, and the counter's information will be in your chart. To change the time frame of the chart, it is relatively straightforward. All you need to do is to click on the first button from the left on the set of functions on the top right corner of the chart. As an example for this video, we will be selecting 1W for a weekly time frame. Zooming in and out of the C-Square chart is very easy. All you need to do is scroll up or scroll down the mouse scroll button to zoom in and out of the chart, much like using Google Maps. As for the background, there is a day and night mode. The default is set to night mode to reduce background glare. If you prefer a white background, just click on the themes and select day. In this part of the video, we will show you how to add RSI to your C-Square chart. Begin by clicking on the indicator at the top right corner. Type in RSI in the search bar, and the option for RSI will appear. All you need to do now is click on it. Sometimes you may want to change the parameters of your indicator. And to do this, all you need to do is to click on the indicator tab, and your current indicator will appear in the list. Click on it to change the parameters. In this case, we will change from 14 to 20. And we are done. After customizing your chart, you can save them as your template. To do this, click on Template, select Save Template, the one with the plus sign, and give it a name. In this case, I shall call it C2 Chart, and click Save. To recall your template, simply click on the template again, and this time you will see under Save Templates, the C2 chart is already there. Click on it to activate this template. To begin drawing trend lines on the chart, you will need to go to the list view on the left select Trendlines, and now you can apply it onto your charts. To remove a trend line, right-click on the line to open up the options. Select Delete Drawing. In this section, we will be adding another counter to our chart to compare their performances. To start, click on the scale symbol at the top that says Compare. Key in another counter which you want to compare to. In this case, I want to compare MYEG to FBM/KLCI. So I will type in FBM/KLCI and select it. And now both counters are appearing in my C-square chart. The green line is FBM/KLCI, and the candlesticks are the price movements of MYEG. If you want to change the candlestick, you may go to the Display tab, select Line under Chart Style, and now you will see the green line still represents FBM/KLCI, and the black line is MYEG. To remove peer lines, mouse over the FBM/KLCI name tag and simply click X. To add events onto your chart, click on the Events tab at the top right corner of your screen. Select one or all of the options if you wish to, and these events will be marked on your chart. Mouse over the marked events to see what happened on that particular period for this company. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope that you enjoy our new C-square chart.